Chief Meteorologist Bill Ranby with your Weather Now forecast.
All right, you had a little sneak peek, but we're not giving it away until right now. The Ranby fact this evening gets a 6. It's okay for outdoor activities. And for late January, that's spectacular. A lot of clouds today. If you looked at the radar earlier, you said, oh, there's snow in central Nebraska. That's surely headed our way. But of course, that was precipitation aloft 10, 12, 13,000 feet, evaporating before reaching the ground. And as those clouds come over Omaha, they are that, just clouds. No rain, no snow here. Yet there is a powerful upper level disturbance sliding across the Dakotas and Minnesota. Behind it, north winds have been tapped. They're headed southward and a big change is on the way. Colder weather. Then this same jet stream pattern will bring little ripples of energy through here, which our computer model suggests will bring us some snow chances. The American GFS computer model by Sunday evening has us with an inch and a half of snow. But wait, there's more. Then another little stripe of snow into Monday. But wait, there's more and another stripe of snow on Wednesday. That would be a lot. Now, it seems unlikely given the way this winter has gone. Here's the European computer model. Does have a little light snow, inch or so across the area Saturday into Sunday, and then a little bit more Tuesday into early Wednesday. So certainly to watch. May have to dust off the old snow shovel, which has been vacant or dormant for a couple of days now. 30s this evening, but teens tomorrow morning. Colder weather on the way. 40 right now, a little west-northwest breeze at 9. See the flag here? Front of the Durham, not real strong, but it will be blowing hard tomorrow morning. And that'll create a wind chill near 0. 30 and 41. Above average to end the month of January, but February will start off cold. Many spots in the 30s. Epley is 40, Lincoln 42. Here's this front by 11 o'clock on the doorstep of the metro. North winds blowing. Comes through, the temperatures start dropping. Clouds are pushed out. Some sunshine tomorrow, but strong northwest winds creating single-digit wind chills through the day. Cold high pressure coming on down, and then here's one of those little ripples with the flurries and light snow chances that'll start as early as Friday. Tonight, let's say 20. That's by around 5 or 6 a.m., but the temperatures keep falling as the northwest winds are blowing. 17 by 8 a.m., just 22 during the afternoon for a temperature high, although the high temperature will occur probably at midnight, early in the morning. Then it's Groundhog Day. Mostly cloudy skies. Will Punxsutawney Phil see his shadow, meaning 6 more weeks of winter? Or will clouds allow him to stay outside and foretell an early spring? We'll find out.
Ooh.
Does look cold again there on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday with some snow chances.
Come on, Phil. Ready.
We're full of it.